This is where the highest concentration of trash comes in because of the influence of White Oak Bayou and Buffalo Bayou where they meet. Mainly it's because of the drains and the outfalls that dump into the bayou. I used to make a joke about I found everything except the kitchen sink, and then when I saw the cast iron sink on the bank, I was like, well, that's out the window. I found it too now. I'm trying to save the world. Then I saw the little girl on television that said this shouldn't be her problem and that we failed her. And when I thought about it, I was like, wow, you know, if she's a little good girl and we're the adults, then we are the ones that failed her. So we have to do something about it, not just for us, but for future generations. So, you know, if we don't do something, then we're gonna be up a creek without a paddle. And we don't have enough money to go to another planet, so failure's not an option.